They think it's dinner time. But it's only 5:30. I'm showing the vlog where our dishwasher's gonna go. It's gonna go in there. There used to be a cupboard there, but Jonathan got rid of it.
You need to sound more assertive. You sound like you're asking me.
Jonathan got rid of the cupboard. Like that.
Jonathan got rid of the cupboard. And now there's just an empty space where our dishwasher is going to go.
Are we going now?
Yeah.
Soon. We will no longer be dishwasherless. Are you excited to have a dishwasher?
Yeah. Look at the meme I'm sending you.
Pretty.
I'm gonna get copyright strike.
That looks really big, baby.
So no, what's it?
Can't leave that in. That was harder than going to the gym.
It was very tightly wrapped. Oh, it comes with stickers.
It's good they don't come.
You should stick that on my
Stick
car.
on.
The energy stuff.
Because it's fuel efficient.
They've given us a Bible.
Do you have any use for this
No.
wood? They've given us a Bible on how to use it. It's so shiny. It's more silver than I remembered.
No. The other one.
Ooh. It's wet inside.
Oh. And it comes with whatever this shit is.
Washing tabs?
Yeah. So we can get free washing tabs and free washing tabs.
Oh, they're quite heavy.
Hmm.
Particularly high performance due to enzymes.
Oh yes.
My dreams finally come true.
This shit.
Oh, is it for the filter?
Salt sail. If we read the Bible, we'll understand.
Dishwasher tour. Get rid of. They can probably go in the bin. Jeez, it only just fits.
That's what the wife said. I don't understand this. Things I don't understand. It does look very out of place.
Yeah, it looks weird.
We'll get used to it. The hole in the wall look weird as well.
Yeah, I guess we were just used to that. What's she doing?
I hate how slowly it zooms in when it's filming.
She looks fat.
Don't body shame her.
She chunky. I just got a call from the plumber that they're coming today to fit my dishwasher, or like make the pipes for it, which I was not expecting. So I need to tidy because everything is disgusting. They're probably going to be here in half an hour because he said 45 minutes and it's probably been 15 minutes. He called at 10:20 and now it's 10:30. So yeah, we have a huge pile of dishes because we have the dishwasher sitting there and I've been wanting to use it, so instead of washing dishes I just haven't been washing dishes. It's mostly just the crumbs that are exposing myself. We're disgusting. There's pickles in the sink. Why? Whose fault is that? The cats aren't gonna like this, but I want to vacuum, so they're gonna run away. There's Julie having a chomp, and there's Slink over here. Okay, the floor looks kind of better now. I think, what time should I be getting here? Like 11? I'm going to take everything out from under the bench. We can't open this door all the way because of the dishwasher being there. Also, we were going to make a hole in the wall, in that wall, for the pipes, but we haven't because they never gave me a date of when they were coming, and now they've called me and just said that they're coming now. So hopefully that's okay. So everything's gone. I'll just show you. My dad cut a hole in the wall to get to the pipes, and the plumber also said something about how this isn't long enough or something for the dishwasher, and another shelf goes in here. Pile of dirty dishes, pile of clean dishes, and here's everything on the floor. Here's Slinky. He's very relaxed. He's been feeling unwell the last couple of days, but I think he's getting better now. He slept in bed with us last night, so he must be feeling better. It is 11 o'clock. And I think I'm prepared for the person to come. I feel like we could have done more because we haven't drilled the hole. And Jonathan bought some brackets to reinforce the bench, but we obviously haven't done that either. I hope this guy's nice and not weird. You know, having someone come into your house feels kind of weird and scary. Feel like you can't escape them. It's your house, and we also don't know how much it'll be. I literally woke up at 10 o'clock an hour ago. It's lucky I was even awake to answer the phone when he called me. He also asked what the house is made out of, so I wonder if he's going to do something to the outside. I'm also kind of hungry, but I don't want to be eating when he arrives. I've got a baby. The plumber guy has left to get something and have lunch because it's 12. I'm also starving, so, but I felt like I couldn't eat while he was here. But oh my god, he's taken the doors off and everything. I'll show you. So this hole was already there, but he's made that one, and he's gonna make it go straight down to under the house because something about this one behind the wall was not what he wanted. He's also taken out all the insulation. So yeah, and I guess he can make the hole that we need in there as well. So he's been here for about an hour. I really don't know how much this is going to cost or how much longer it's going to take, but I should make something to eat while he's not here. I don't know what to make. I guess oats because I'm lazy. I just realised the water's off, so I need to pee, but I guess I can't pee and I can't use the water. And my drip bottle's full, so I can use water from that I guess for my oats. Grateful that I filled my drink bottle up and that it's so big. The plumber just left. He got here at 11 and it's now 4:20. And I've literally just been sat on the couch all day because I felt like I couldn't leave. But maybe in retrospect I should have, because I could have gone to the gym while he was doing that, and now I don't really feel like going to the gym. Anyway, the dishwasher is doing like some cycle, like test cycle thing. It has 9 minutes left. So I want to load up the dishwasher when it's done. I've just been sitting watching YouTube all day and I don't really feel like doing that anymore, so I don't know what to do. I'm bored of having done nothing all day. I've asked Jonathan if he wants to go for a walk, but I don't know if he'll feel like doing that. I should have gone. The dishwasher's finished and it's the auto open thing. It does that by itself when it finishes. So cool. I'm so excited to load my dishwasher for the first time. It's the little things in life. Oh, I don't know how this works. How does this work? It's like this hook, I don't know how. It doesn't close either. Oh, that's kind of fair. I just watched a video and it said to just pull it harder. So you see it's going back in. That was dumb. Oh. So exciting. Putting dishes in my dishwasher is exciting. It's really confusing, the auto open door thing. I couldn't figure out how to open it because I felt like I was going to break it, so I had to watch a YouTube video. Dude. Oh, you can
yeah, the slides. You have to pull them. Interesting already.
Why?
I didn't realise that they all went in sideways. Like
how did you think it worked?
I don't know. I thought you just threw them in coming out of it.
Yeah. I assume you can put these in.
Yeah, I don't see why not.
Just load it up. Oh, that's not quite everything. I didn't think, I was like, oh, there's not that many dishes, it won't fill the whole thing. I was wrong. How was work?
I loved it.
Great.
It's so much fun.
Really?
I think if we'd gotten a dish drawer, we wouldn't have been able to put all the shit in.
Yeah. And we thought it was so big. And this cutlery tray actually is more space efficient, I think, than...
Yeah, just throwing them all. Probably cleans them better as well.
Yeah. Tablet.
I assume you don't have to take that plastic shit.
No, you're supposed to leave them. I'm pretty sure you did that once. We were at Jeanette's, you like unwrapped it and I laughed at you. It's warm.
It will be. It's a dishwasher.
I wonder what he thought of our tools magnet.
You might want to turn it on first.
Oh. I wasn't really looking. I want to do that one.
Fancy.
Yeah.
And then press the sharp button.
What are these? I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it does the noise.
Yeah. Exciting. Is it just yeah. That is ugly. But it's like they don't even think about anything. Yummy old hole. The dishwasher very kindly came with tablets. So we don't have to buy any yet. And I'm putting them in this cute jar to be cute. The dishwasher's finished. I forgot to tell you, so I've half unloaded it already, but it's done a great job. 10 out of 10. Even like all of the recycling is great. Like these little bottles are clean and normally they're really annoying. I just put them in the dishwasher and then they're clean. What are you doing? That's what dishwasher does. So it's great. I mean, it was $2 so you would expect it to be great. And these have like gunk around them, but they're completely clean for the recycling, like gunk around there. And these had heaps of peanut butter in them. Like, just me being shocked at a dishwasher doing what a dishwasher is supposed to do. Honestly, I'm so impressed with how clean everything is. This just shows how like sad my life has been without a dishwasher, because I'm like, wow, it's so clean. That's what a dishwasher does. I don't think that these cupboards have ever been so full of clean dishes, because whenever I finish cleaning the dishes, I always leave them here and then like a new stack builds up over here. So it's never like all in here. I mean, half of it's dishes and half of it's food, and then, but yay. The only issue is in here I haven't put the stuff back in because I thought it would be easier to put the shelf back in without the stuff there, which that's the shelf there and it needs a hole cut in it because the guy put that pipe down. Yeah, I love dishwashers. I'm such an adult. Like, how old am I that that's what's bringing me joy?